Uh, what's up, guys? Once again, good evening. My name is Jaranga Deus. Thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you very much for subscribing. So please, members who haven't subscribed, please kindly visit my channel, or in case if you have already visited but not subscribed, please kindly subscribe to the channel and support my YouTube channel. Today I have happened to have an evening walk, like as you can see. I happened to get an accident, so I said let me just have an evening walk. So guys who are watching these videos, I'm here to explore to you all important places, all culture things. So like here now, where you see this building is for court, Ntungamo Magistrate Court, Ntungamo office. So this is the place, Ntungamo Magistrate Court. Uh, Here I'm at the district of Ntungamo local government. So there are very many buildings around. So this building that you see here, I can see there is East African Natural Resources Limited. So I think it is a private entity. So please guys, I usually bring you culture mostly. Most of my content is filled with culture. So in case you land on my YouTube channel, most of the content that is put there is culture. So unlike like today that I decided, at least I happened to get a fracture on my arm, this right arm. So this bone is called clavicle. It got broken into two parts. So uh, I said let me have an evening walk, because since yesterday morning I haven't been moving. I said let me have some good time. I travel. So this building that you see here is the Ntungamo local government building. So in case if you have never reached at the district, that is the building. This is the mast for MTN. Here are our animals. So let me get the other side that you can be able to view this building very well. It's a very big building, and Ntungamo is one of the biggest districts as of now in Uganda. This is the first district where the president of the Republic of Uganda comes from, Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. So this is the Ntungamo district local government. So this is the building. Let me get closer to you to it so that you can be able to see it very well. So this is the tarmac road. This tarmac road, uh, this uh, this road that you see here, it goes to some parts within the municipality. It goes to Omulibiri. Then this road, there are two roads. One goes directly to the one that moves here. There is a very, very beautiful lounge down there. It's called Cafe, Angels Cafe. Then the other one, it goes to Ntungamo Center 4, and other places. So this is our building, Ntungamo District Local Government. Then this one, you can see we have, uh, hello, hi, don't fear. We are capturing content. so don't have any problem. So here you can see we have we have some posts here. There is this one, District Commercial Services Support Project, Ntungamo District Local Government. Then we also have here a post for a project that Ntungamo District had. It's called Rehabilitation of the District Administration Block Phase 2. So that was done in 2022. So let's head to, this is a very beautiful district. You can see the compound is very nice. So we are we are going to move together. Like I said before, down there, that is the court, Chief Magistrate Court in Ntungamo. So in case, if you don't know Ntungamo, those are some parts or some structures within Ntungamo district. So there is also another office of, there is an office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. So the building is down there, like as you can see the post. So if you don't know the office of Resident Attorney General, this is the real building. So in case you want to ask for the office, here is the office. Let me take you over there. This is the post. This is the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions. So Prince Jabaru, these are within your profession. So in case you reach out to my content, yes, please. How are you?
This is my place of God. What is the problem there?
I'm just gathering content for this load goes to a certain part called Umrivili. We have another adjacent load here. This load also goes to town. So please don't get lost when you reach in Ntungamo. These roads can be remembered. This one, it drops you to Ntungamo town. Then there is also another office. I think this office is for, it's office for pensioners. So it is Ntungamo District Pensioners Cooperative Society. So this is the office, this one that you see over here. This is also the gate that takes you inside of the district. We go on and we are heading to some parts in town here. You can see most of these places are dominated by vegetation, green vegetation cover. So you can see these are trees. These are trees. This is also another office of Unudipu, National Union of Disabled People in Uganda. So in case you want an office of Nudipu, this is the post. So please kindly reach out to this office. Uh, so this is Ntungamo municipality within Ntungamo district. So we shall be able to know what exactly is making Ntungamo shine. Because most of the people this side are farmers. That's why you see uh, crops and banana plantations dominating. Only that today I am here in town, so I will happen to take you to most of the features. I'll happen to take you to most of the features within Ntungamo. You'll be able to understand that Ntungamo is really gifted in nature. So please members, those who have not subscribed to my channel, I kindly request for your support. Visit my channel. Once again, support my content by subscribing. You can as well comment or share our educational materials that we share with you on WhatsApp. So we have reached here. There is also, we have other offices here, and these offices we have, there is an office of RDC. So it is the other side where I'm showing you the full screen. So the office of the RDC is the other side. Then the other offices we have TPO Uganda, and in case you want to know where the office of the TPO Uganda is found, please visit that side. Jova, Jova, we are going to this is a new road that is being constructed by RCC. This is the new road. This new road takes you to the main road that goes to Rukunje district, because it can as well take you to a very big hotel here in Ntungamo. It's called uh, there is Ntungamo Resort Hotel and Ankole Resort Hotel. So this road can take you to both. So here is this is the new. So I thank you guys for watching my video. See you next time.